Here at Wagan Tech, we believe in real-world testing. Hi, I'm Justin, and today we're going to take a look and see how many times the iOnBoost V10 TORQUE will jumpstart this vehicle with its batteries disconnected. Let's get started. All right, now we've disconnected both of the batteries in the vehicle. Let's go make sure there's no power going to it. All right, now let's try starting the vehicle. There's no power going to it, so now let's go jump start it. All right, now we're gonna jump start this vehicle using only the iOnBoost V10 TORQUE. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you may notice that we've done a couple of jump cuts in here and that this is beeping. These cables are getting really hot from being repeatedly jump started, and so we have to keep unplugging it to reset it. This is not a fault of the smart cables, it's just they're not meant to be jump started 20, 30 times in a row. So now that we've cleared the faults, we're gonna go back to jump starting again. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Well, there you have it. This was able to jumpstart this big V8 engine 56 times. It only takes once to get you back on the road. This is the iOnBoost V10 TORQUE. For more information, go to wagan.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.